we're going to try to prove that if you took the log base a of u to the n, that's the same thing as saying n times log base a of u. So in order to do this, the first thing that we're going to do is say let x equal log base a of u to the n. Now if that's true, and logarithms are exponents, then we can say this, that a to the x is equal to u to the n. So if a to the x is equal to u to the n, then I can actually raise both sides to the same exponent. So I'm going to take a to the x, and I'm going to raise it to the 1 over n power. And I'm going to do that to the other side as well. So u to the n is going to be raised to the 1 over n power. And so when that happens, the right-hand side turns into just plain u, because that's u to the 1. But the left-hand side is a to the x over n. Now, from there, we can take the log of both sides. So I can say log of a to the x over n base a is equal to log base a of u. And the left side is just the exponent by definition of the logarithm. So that's equal to x over n, which is log base a of u. And now if I multiply both sides by n cancels on the left-hand side, and I'm left with just x. So x is equal to now n times log base a of u. But earlier we said let x be log base a of u to the n. So I can replace x with log base a of u to the n. And so there we have proven it, that log base a of u to the n is the same as saying n times log base a of u. Here we're going to prove the change of base formula. Specifically, log base a of x can be calculated also as log base b, a different base, of x, divided by log base b of a. So we start this off by saying, let's let the letter m equal log base a of x. Now if that's true, we can just interpret that log and say this, that a raised to the m power is equal to x. Now from here, I can take the log of both sides. So I'm going to say log to a different base, we'll call it b, of a to the m is equal to log base b of x. And we learned earlier that I can just move that exponent of m to the front of log base b of a. So now it looks like this, m times log base b of a. And that's equal to log base b of x. And if I divide both sides by log base b of a, log base b of a on the left cancels and is just leaving me with m equals log base b of x divided by log base b of a. Now, earlier we stated that m is equal to log base a of x. So I can replace m with log base a of x, and that's equal to log base b of x divided by log base b of a. And there we have it. That's the change of base formula.